Good morning, Roddies. Just wake up. Good morning, top of the morning. Saturday, I know. Can't believe I'm working Saturday. Got a call, came in last night. No AC, so.
Here I am, Saturday morning. Okay, ready to go. Wire for wire, blue, brown, red. Put a new cap. Nice motor, brand new motor. This is the old one in here. Everything look good in here, so I'm gonna go inside and swap this thing in. All right. What a pain this thing is. Aisle. Okay, I got the plug in. I gotta put that back with the holes and everything. I gotta connect all this wire. This is just easy going in the slab. No problem. So, the first one over here. Gotta remember it goes over here. Yeah, it goes over here. That goes there. Then this one can not really screw it up, really. So this one goes over here. That's why I take it off. Then all the neutral goes here. All the neutral goes here. And this goes here, I think. Yeah. Right? Yeah. All right, so it's all wire. All the wire, it look the same. Everything back the same way that it was. The new motor's in. Just gotta put this switch. I gotta put that pump. I'm gonna need to. All right, Roddy, I'm done with that. I'm going hiking now. That's it. Somebody called me, but it's not gonna get done today. Let's see. I gotta call. I gotta call these people, see what their schedule is. I gotta find out which day they did it. All right, Roddy. I couldn't film a lot because the lady was next door in the office. Too many helicopters. She was keep walking in to see what I was doing. Well, it's done. Their house. They could do whatever they want, you know. All right, Roddy. Later.